Hi, it's PS Taro. Hello, Aries Placement. So, this is your mid-month love reading, okay? So, titingnan natin ang situation. Siyempre, tingnan natin kung sino tong person mo, no? Next action, emotions, yan. Okay, so, siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yeah, please do follow me on our FB page. Okay? Don't forget. And pagdating sa private or personal reading po, kung may mga tanong, message lang po sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, let's start. Okay, Aries placement. So, who is the person on your mind? Who is the person on your mind, Aries? Okay, so sino ba yan? The King of Cups. Okay, so pwedeng someone na talagang may feelings ka pa rin. Okay, the King of Cups, the Justice. Oh, anything legal? There's something legal dito. Pwedeng kasal kayo ng taong to. Okay, tingnan ko pa. Ano bang meron? Yeah, oh, the Emperor in reverse. Okay, so this person is like, siya yung marunong manggamit. Okay? Yeah. Marunong, sabihin nating, mangontrol. Okay? Siya yung nasusunod. Siya yung nagmamando palagi. Mga ganyan. Ginagamit niya yung emosyon mo para sumunod ka ng sumunod, mag-submit ka ng mag-submit sa kanya. So, tingnan natin ano bang situation meron kayo. Anong situation nyo, Aries? The Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, someone is too giving. Yeah. Sobrang nurturing. The Queen of Pentacles. And the Four of Swords. Yan tuloy. Nakakapagod. Oo, nakakapagod na situation. So, sa sitwasyon ngayon, there's no talking. Some of you, there's no talking. No communications at all because of the Four of Swords is here. The Four of Swords is an energy of breakup. Okay? Energy ng breakup. The Judgment is here. Okay? So, I guess, si Universe ang umalis. Ang nag-alis. No? Sa taong to. Yeah. Kaya may nangyaring ganyan. Okay? Siya yung gumawa. So, I guess, siguro nakikita ni Universe na hindi mo deserve yung ganon. Yeah, masyado kang giver. You're a giver. Okay? Yung mabait ka na, parang, ang tawag doon, parang ginagamit nila yung kabaitan mo. Okay? Yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya. Yan. Tingnan natin ano ba emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo. Okay. Anong emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo? The Three of Wands in reverse. So, this person is like, nakatalikod pagdating sa'yo. Tinatalikuran ka. Okay? Why? The Devil. I think some of them, pwedeng may bisyo. Okay? May bisyo. Parang, ito. Ikaw ang sisisihin ko rito, Aries. Nakikita ko kasi na kaya to ganito, ikaw yung gumawa sa kanya ng pagiging, ikaw yung naghubog sa kanya kung bakit siya ganito ngayon. Kaya siya parang sumobra. Yeah. Some of them, andoon yung hindi nila maalisan yung bisyo. There's something. Okay, may pagka-toxic talaga itong taong to. Pero, wala ka lang, nagkibit balikat kang ganon. Parang, wala parang ganyan. Tinanggap mo ng tinanggap noon. Kaya ngayon, parang, walang takot sa'yo. Okay? Itong taong to may pagka-arrogante rin. Alam nito na ikaw ang susuyo sa kanya. I don't know. Yeah, ikaw ang susuyo sa kanya. Alam nito na hindi mo siya kayang alisan. Kung hindi makarelate, wag kunin. Okay, wag kunin. So, tingnan natin ano bang emosyon mo pagdating sa kanila, Aries. The Four of Cups. Feeling mo is you've been like left out. You feel like left out. Parang ganyan. Parang na-ignore. Parang nababaliwala. Okay, yeah. Tinagalog ko lang. What's with the Four of Cups? Tingnan natin. Yeah. Feeling mo dinrap ka because of the third party. Okay. So, third party, palalawakin natin yan. Ayoko ng, yeah, diba? Ayaw natin nung magpo-focus lang tayo sa person involved. Pwedeng work, pwedeng bisyo, pwedeng family, pwedeng friends, pwedeng whatsoever. Okay, anything talaga na nakaka-distract sa relationship, yun ang third party. Okay? So, it's up to you kung ano yung third party sa inyo. Okay, so, yeah, pwedeng dinrap ka because of a third party. Okay? Anong next action niya towards you, Aries? Ngayong mid. Okay, mid-August. Next action niya, walking away. Yeah, walking away. Nilalayuan ka pa rin niya, Aries. Why? Oops. Hindi ko yun kukunin kasi nalaglag siya. Oo. Tingnan natin. Okay. Anong meron? Nalaglag siya sa floor. Ano tong 8 of Cups? Wala, nilalayuan ka talaga. The 2 of Wands. And they're waiting. Yeah, they're waiting. Naghihintay itong mga to na mag-reach out ka. Bakit sila naghihintay? Gusto nila i-cut off ka nila. Ganun to ka-toxic. Okay? Hihintayin ko to si Aries. Parang ganyan. Hihintayin ko to. Pag may message yan, pero ang gagawin ko, hindi ko to papansinin. Tsaka ipaparamdam ko sa kanya na, yeah, marami akong ipapalit sa kanya. I don't know bakit ganito tong person mo. Okay? So, tingnan natin anong outcome nyo. Anong outcome? Ano ang outcome ninyo? Ayoko na. Ayoko na, Aries. Oo. Lagi ko lang sinisira kasi yung outcome. Lagi ko sinisira yung reading. Tapos pagdating sa outcome, iba. The Lovers. Okay? Why? Why the Lovers? Tingnan natin. Malay natin. Baka iba. Okay? A reconnection for some of you. A reconnection. Pero, may advice, hindi pa totally healed. So, I guess, i-delay muna. Okay? I-delay muna. Kung sa tingin nyo, hindi na magkakaroon ng improvement, then wag na. Okay? The Ace of Wands is here. Meron ditong makeup sex. Okay? Meron. Etong si Ace of Wands in reverse, pag tong lumabas as an outcome, ang ibig sabihin nito is makeup sex. Ibig sabihin nito is pwedeng babalik, pero aalis din agad. Okay? So, yun. Yeah, the Judgment in reverse. Again, the Judgment in reverse. So, I guess, ito yung si universe na nagsasabi na don't do it. Pwedeng kumonek. Yeah. Alam nyo naman ang utak nito. No, alam nyo naman kung gaano ka, alam nyo na kung gaano kasama ang naging past nyo. So, matuto ka na. Okay? So, there. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Hang on. kunin ko lang yung isang card. Hang on. Okay. Ang nahulog kanina si Knight of Cups. So, there's an offer. No? Naparating. Well, yun nga, sinasabi na pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng ang tawag doon? Parang makeup sex. Yeah. Okay, so, syempre, be wise. Okay, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Okay, Aries. Gusto ni Aries na ibaba mo yung guard mo. Okay? Some of them nagiging like nagiging makasarili sa ngayon. Okay? I don't know why. Taurus. They're stalking. Hindi ka pa rin nila mapaltan-paltan. Even though may mga kakonect siya, ganyan, hindi ka pa rin mapaltan-paltan. Gemini, so they're thinking kung paano nila maiaayos yung issue. Kung may issue nga. Okay? Yeah. Cancer, so si Cancer, a lot of mind games, a lot of alam mo na, mixed signals, yan. Okay? Player. Next, Leo. There's no reconciliation with this Leo. Okay? No stability. Some of them, they're not. They're a commitment phobe. Okay? So, next is Virgo. So, they're confused. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung priority nila. Okay? Libra. So, si Libra, wala ng panahon para balikan uli. Parang ina-avoid na nila yung situation sa ngayon. Yeah. Libra. Next is Scorpio. So, a time waster. Okay? A time waster. Sagittarius, they're stalking. Gusto nilang makita yung mga post mo na ikaw naman yung nagiging kawawa. Yeah, they're stalking. Naghihintay sila ng ganun. Okay? Capricorn, they want to talk. Okay? Gusto nila like, yeah, they want something patungkol sa clarity, commitments, yan. Aquarius, so si Aqua, parang, yeah, they're detached and cold. Some of them pwedeng galit, or pwedeng ayaw na ng paulit-ulit na cycle, like a repeat cycle, may ganyan, ayaw na nila nun, kina-cut off na nila. Next is Pisces. So si Pisces, pwedeng, some of you, there's a new love coming from a Pisces. Pwedeng a reconnection from a Pisces. Okay, King of Wands, I guess, itong taong to is a controller. Maybe, itong si Pisces, ang gagawa ng paraan, like, siya yung magpaplano, siya yung gagaod, mga ganyan. Yeah. Okay, so there, yun po ang ating reading for Aries placement. So, thank you. Bye!